Hey guys, years ago I landscaped my backyard and it's looking cute, but my driveway isn't. Unfortunately, I didn't take before pictures, but it looked kind of like this. This is the end part of my driveway where I have not patched any of the cracks. You can see there's another one down here. So this is the area that I'm going to be working on, and as you can see, I've already filled in all the cracks and I've patched some holes, and right now it's looking like a mosaic, but not in a good way. But this is what I use to patch the cracks, and I use it because it's flexible. And you know, I get a lot of cracks in my driveway because this is California and we get a lot of earth movement, earthquakes, and this driveway is about at least 30 years old, and so it's looking pretty rough at this point. You can see that this concrete patch is darker than the driveway, and I don't really like the way that looks, so I'm planning on painting it over. There were some holes in the concrete, and I used the cement patcher. So here's a patch right next to it. Before I start painting, I'm going to be using this degreaser. And my driveway doesn't look like it has any grease on it because I keep my car in the garage. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to apply this. And this will give the paint a good surface to stick to. It's the next day, and I let the driveway dry overnight, and so today I went around and cut in all the corners, and tomorrow I will be going in with the roller, and I hope to do that all in one day. Yesterday I painted my driveway, and today I'm going to be working on the design, which is going to be based off of the patio chairs, the sun, moon, and stars. So this is all I did yesterday, and I hope to get a little more accomplished today. This is what I got done yesterday, and today I'm going to be working on the moon. So here's what it's looking like today. I spent all day yesterday getting everything sketched in. And today I'm going to be working on painting the sun yellow. Here's what I did yesterday, and today I'm going to go and put a few more colors on the sun to give it more dimension. So here's where we're at today, and I'm going to be doing some finishing touches, and I hope to finish it up. And here she is, the final result.